We want to spend just a few minutes to help you get started with Brisk Support. To finish creating your account, click Account Settings in the left menu bar. Enter your company name and the alert email address. The support manager or server admin is often the person who receives these general account notification emails. You will need to enter at least one email address for your incoming support tickets by clicking Add New POP3 and filling out the relevant information. If you will be setting up several queues and routing rules, you may want to do this prior to retrieving existing support emails. If you use an automatic global auto-reply, select the checkbox and enter your message. If you send or receive attachments with your email tickets, enable attachments, enter a file size limit. You can automatically delete attachments from your storage after a specified amount of time by selecting either of the auto delete options. Save your agent's time by adding an automatic salutation by language. Click Add Language in the Salutation section. Select the language and enter the salutation. Use %FirstName% and %LastName% if you want your salutation to include your customer's name. For global agent permissions, select the checkboxes next to items that you want all agents to have access to. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the screen to save your settings. Go to the Agents tab to finish setting up your administrative account. Open the Action menu for your email address and select Edit. Enter your first and last name, your phone number, and your default email signature. Then click Save. Open the Action menu again and select Change Password to set your password. You will need to create ticket queues and waiting rules. There's a default ticket queue titled Dispatch and default waiting rules. You can quickly start using only these defaults. Routing rules will need to be set up once you create additional ticket queues. Ticket queues are used to organize your incoming tickets into the most logical category. Routing rules determine the attributes of the ticket and which queue it should be placed in. If routing rules are not applied to a ticket, it will be placed in the default dispatch ticket queue. Waiting rules determine the priority level of the ticket. Several preset rules are included with Brisk Support. You can turn them on or off using the checkbox next to the rule. Use the sliders or the text box to increase or decrease the impact of the rule. The ticket value is determined by multiplying 100 by the waiting rule percentages, 1 by 1. You can add additional waiting rules using the Add New Rule button. Knowledge base articles are easy to add and are a useful reference for your agents when responding to tickets. Finally, go to your agents page. Every user can be added either as an admin or agent. Administrators have access to all pages and features. Agent access can be limited to specific pages and features. After adding a new agent, select Assign to Queue from the Action column. There are 5 default roles each agent may have for a queue. You can add additional roles or edit existing roles by clicking on Agent Roles. Assign the role of the agent for each queue and save the assignments. Now we will log in as an agent so that you can see their dashboard. Each agent is assigned the highest priority ticket for their role. When they click Retrieve Next Ticket, the next ticket in their queue is displayed. After they respond, they will continue to receive the most valuable ticket until they click End Work to end their session. We hope this brief introduction of Brisk Support has been informative and helpful. Please click the feedback button to send us any questions or comments. We look forward to supporting you as a new user of Brisk Support Help Desk software.